HVAC service family. Back at you again here, Mr. Heat and AC, Thermodynamic Technologies. After pulling service calls all during day and afternoon, put the mule back in the barn. It's the end of the day for me. It was somewhat successful. Some of the calls we were able to take care of with the parts we have on the truck. Some of them we have to order because they're OEM parts. You all know how it goes. But I just want to talk a little bit about HVAC service to the family and talk about how it works for me, what I wanted, the reason why I'm a service technician. The reason why I'm a service technician. Again, I started as a fabricator, crank duck in the shop. But the natural progression of my love and desire for the trade took me up the journey and up the ladder to service technician. But again, I started as a fabricator in the shop, cutting, fabricating, and insulating, and retro install as a helper, new home install as a helper, and then I went to school for technical service, got all my seat hours, and now we serve as a HVAC service technician in the industry for residential, of course. But yeah, people, there's a lot of room for technicians in the industry. There's a great need for them too. So all those out there in the sound of my voice who are looking for a nice trade or some skill to learn and pick up, try HVAC service technician. You would really find it rewarding. It's lucrative. You could be very successful in it. So I look forward to seeing some of you guys in some of the parts distributor homes, offices, and at the counter buying parts, pulling up with your trucks. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful afternoon. Thank you. And please like and subscribe. Send your comments. Everything. We'd like to hear from you. Tell us what you think about our content.